Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to create a subscription product. And for that, we need to go from our dashboard to products, a new product. And let's take this case, for example, let's say coaching classes on Zoom. Okay, let's do this as a product. And we're going to add a short description, which can be the same. Coaching classes on Zoom, and we can say Friday, right? Every Friday, let's say every Friday on 10 a.m. And then on the product side, on the setup, we need to go to simple subscription. We want to make it virtual and downloadable. And we're going to set up a price that we want, let's say $100. And the interesting part is that we can set it every month, every week, or every day. So we can set the recurrence of this product, right? And let's say this is going to be every month. And we can set an expiry date in 1 month, 2 months. Let's say this is going to last 6 months. So we're going to offer 6 months of classes on Zoom. We can also add a sign-up fee so this is a one-time fee that we can set up. You can also see here in the question mark, if we want, let's say we can add like a $200 fee or not, we can take it out. And we can also have a free trial. This is not the case right now. And we can also have a sales price, right? Okay, so let's say this is all the things we need to set up for this product. Let's also add an image. We have a Zoom image in here, and let's publish the product. After publishing the product, we can see it here on the product page, and we can sign up. So whoever sees this product can sign up to it. And if we click sign up now, it's going to take us to the checkout. And now in this, we can see in the checkout page that this product of $100 will be paid for the next 6 months, right? Each month. So the first renewal will be on September 11, 2023. So when we look back at how we've set it up, so you can see that the subscription price is $100 every month for 6 months. So let's change it a little bit. And let's say that there's no expiration date. So this will be more usable in the case of a subscription, right? On a monthly subscription. Mostly that works on courses. So let's update it. And then let's look at the checkout to see the changes. And you can see here that it's $100 every month, right? And then if we are going to make the purchase, let's add some test data, testing as a name. And we're going to add some dummy data. And then a dummy phone number. And then we can put the company invoice if we want to. So let's add test company and the identification number if that's the case. Okay. And we can sign up for more offerings if we want to. And then we can put the payment. We have a test payment set here for testing purposes, of course. And then we're going to put a card. And let's see how this order of the subscription will work for us. So we're going to place the order. And now we wait till the checkout will connect to Stripe, and now the order is complete. The order has been paid with our test Stripe account, right? So now that the order is complete, we can see all the data of the order. Now we will go in the backend to see what happened. So two things happened. So one is that if we go to the orders page, we can see that one order was placed. If we click on the order, we can see the data of the order. We can see that the order is completed, who placed the order, what email, the billing details of the order. Then we can see the PDF document data for the invoicing. We can see the item, the pricing, and on the right side, we can see that the charge is complete with Stripe. And we can see that the payment intent was created. And of course, the order is complete. And another thing that we can see only on subscriptions, we can see the subscription that was created. So if you go to store and subscriptions, we can see that the subscription, which is active, we click here on the number of the subscription, and we can see what is happening here. We can see the email address. We can see that the subscription is active. We can see the billing details and the items. And on the right side, we can see the schedule of the subscription. We can see that this is every month, right? We can see that the trial, there's no trial, so there's no date in here. We can see the next payment. And this is good because this is monthly, right? And we can see the end date. We can also change things manually in here. We can change the payment date. Let's say we don't want to have it on the 11th. We want to have it on the 20th of September. And we can add an end date. So we can do all this stuff and we can update. Another thing that we can do from, I'm not going to save this right now. We can do for the order. If we look in the order page on the right side, we can, as an order action, we can email the invoice or order details to the customer manually. So they will receive everything automatically, but we can also do it manually if we want to. And we can also send the email of the order, the processing order, the completed order. We have the options to send in an email more data. So that's about it with the subscriptions. This is a simple subscription that is done on a monthly basis. Of course, we can set the schedule as we want, but this is just a demo.